Hey guys, today we're going to do some bison burgers. We're going to make these patties, season them with a little salt, pepper, garlic, and throw them on my new grill. I finally retired the old one and just finished assembling this one. So we're going to fire it up, see how it does. So let's get started. Alright, so we're going to weigh out our burgers. Anywhere from like a third to a half a pound is going to be good. We're going to form those into patties, and then we're going to season them with a little salt, pepper, garlic. So I'm using sea salt, some black pepper, and then just garlic powder. So get it seasoned real well. Let's flip these over. You want to season both sides of the burgers to get a really good flavor on them. Once we have them seasoned, you want to preheat that grill to about 425 to 450, and using like an onion or a grill brush, just clean the grill real well. Throw the burgers on. We're going to cook them about 4 minutes with the lid closed. After 4 minutes, flip them over. We're going to cook for another 3 or 4 minutes. Use a meat thermometer to figure out when the meat's done to your liking. And then I'm going to top these with cheese. So put the cheese on, close the lid. 30 seconds later, it'll be nice and melted. Go ahead and pull these to the side. I like doing toasted buns when I do burgers, so just throw them on for about 30 seconds aside, and then put your favorite toppings on. And that's it. Enjoy.